Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can adjust perspective of photos on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the gallery app. Next, open up the photo that you want to change the perspective, and then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Next, tap on the perspective button right here. So tap on that, and from here you can choose horizontal perspective or vertical perspective, and at the bottom here drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to change the vertical perspective or horizontal perspective. So you can drag it to your left or you can drag it to your right. And then tap on the done button and tap on saved. Then you can choose to save as a copy or save on top of your current photo. Now you always can go back and revert it back to the original image. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.